Adventure bikes are supposed to do one thing: take a beating and keep going. Mud, crashes, terrible roads, overloaded luggage, bad fuel. Real adventure riding destroys weak machines. But some motorcycles, they just refuse to die. Today we're counting down 10 adventure bikes famous for surviving years of abuse. And stick around, because the number one bike on this list might be the toughest motorcycle ever built. Let's get into it. Number 10. Honda CRF300L Rally. Let's start with something small, but incredibly tough. The Honda CRF300L Rally. On paper, this bike might not look intimidating. It runs a 286 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine producing about 27 horsepower, which doesn't sound like much. But here's the thing about small Hondas. They're almost impossible to kill. And that's exactly why riders love them for long adventure trips. The engine is simple, low stress, and designed to run reliably for thousands and thousands of miles. That's also why these bikes are popular in parts of the world where fuel quality isn't exactly perfect. They'll run on almost anything. The CRF300L Rally also has long travel suspension, designed for rough terrain, and because the bike is lightweight, it's far easier to manage when things go wrong. Drop it in the mud? No problem. You can pick it up and keep riding. That's a huge advantage compared to heavier adventure bikes. Now here's a question for you. If you were riding across remote countries with bad roads, would you choose a lightweight bike like this? Or a bigger adventure machine? Tell me in the comments, because the next motorcycle on this list has been proving its durability for over 30 years. Number 9. Suzuki DR650. Oh, the Suzuki DR650 is one of the most legendary dual-sport motorcycles ever built. And its reputation comes down to one thing: simplicity. Under the tank sits a 644 cubic centimeter air-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing around 43 horsepower. But that number isn't what makes the DR650 special. What makes it special is how simple the design is. No complicated electronics, no ride modes, no fragile sensors. Just a big, reliable engine and a strong steel frame. And that simplicity means fewer things can go wrong. That's why riders use DR650s for round-the-world trips. If something breaks, it's usually easy to fix, and spare parts are available almost everywhere. This bike is basically the motorcycle version of a mechanical tool. Simple, reliable, and incredibly durable. Now here's something interesting. The DR650 has barely changed since the 1990s. Some riders call that outdated. Others call it perfect. What do you think? Should manufacturers keep proven designs or constantly redesign motorcycles? Let me know, because the next bike proves modern adventure machines can also be extremely durable. Number 8. Honda Africa Twin. The Honda Africa Twin is one of the most respected adventure bikes in the world, and durability is a big reason for that reputation. The modern version uses a 1,083 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine producing around 100 horsepower. But Honda didn't design this engine for crazy performance. They tuned it for smooth torque and long-distance reliability, and that makes it ideal for adventure riding. Strong chassis, long travel suspension, excellent balance between road comfort and off-road capability. Many riders trust the Africa Twin for cross-continent journeys. Some even take them on round-the-world expeditions. Another interesting feature is Honda's optional DCT automatic transmission. Some riders absolutely love it for long trips. Others still prefer the traditional manual gearbox. Both options have proven extremely reliable. Now I'm curious, manual gearbox or Honda's DCT system? Which would you choose for a long adventure ride? Tell me below, because the next bike proves something interesting. Sometimes the simplest motorcycles are the toughest. Number 7. Royal Enfield Himalayan. The Royal Enfield Himalayan is famous for being simple, affordable, and incredibly durable. The original model runs a 411 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine producing around 24 horsepower, which might not sound exciting. But horsepower isn't the goal here. Durability is. This motorcycle was designed for the rough mountain roads of India. And those conditions are brutal. Broken pavement, dirt tracks, heavy loads, extreme weather. Because of that, the Himalayan was built to survive abuse, and riders around the world quickly noticed. The relaxed riding position also makes it comfortable for long trips. Soft suspension absorbs rough terrain well, and maintenance is relatively simple. This is the kind of motorcycle you take exploring where roads barely exist. Quick question for you. Would you rather ride a simple adventure bike like the Himalayan? Or something packed with modern technology? Let me know, because the next bike is one of the most respected off-road adventure machines available today. Number 6. Yamaha Tener 700. The Yamaha Tener 700 has quickly become a modern adventure legend, and durability is one of the biggest reasons why. The bike uses Yamaha's famous CP2 engine from the MT-07, a 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin, producing around 73 horsepower and 50 pound-feet of torque. But Yamaha intentionally kept the design simple. Minimal electronics, strong steel frame, long suspension travel, and that simplicity is exactly why riders trust it. Less electronics means fewer things to fail when you're deep in the wilderness. The Tennere 700 is also extremely capable off-road. Many riders consider it one of the best mid-weight adventure bikes ever built. It's powerful enough for highway travel, but still light enough for serious dirt riding, and because the engine platform has been around for years, reliability is already well proven. Quick pause here. If you're enjoying the video so far, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow and reach more riders. Because the next motorcycle has been surviving adventure abuse for decades. Number 5. Kawasaki KLR650. Few motorcycles have a reputation for durability like the Kawasaki KLR650. This bike has been used for everything from overland travel, to military service, to extreme adventure riding. The 651 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine produces around 42 horsepower. But like many bikes on this list, performance isn't the focus. Longevity is. The design has barely changed over the years, which means most issues have already been solved. And that's exactly why riders trust the KLR. It's easy to repair, easy to modify, and extremely tough. Another advantage is the massive aftermarket. You can customize a KLR for almost any kind of adventure travel. Long-distance touring, off-road riding, expedition travel. The possibilities are endless. Now let's settle a classic debate. If you had to ride around the world tomorrow, KLR 650 or Tennere 700? That argument has been going on for years. Tell me what side you're on. Because the next bike might be the most famous adventure motorcycle ever built. Number 4. BMW R 1200 GS. The BMW R 1200. GS is practically the king of adventure bikes. For decades, it has been one of the most popular long-distance touring machines in the world. The 1,170 cubic centimeter boxer twin engine produces about 125 horsepower. Smooth, powerful, perfect for highway travel. But what makes the GS unique is its engineering. The boxer engine keeps the center of gravity low. Telelever suspension improves stability, and shaft drive reduces maintenance. That combination makes the GS incredibly capable for long adventures. Many global expeditions have been completed on GS motorcycles, and they've proven their durability time and time again. Some riders swear the GS is the best adventure bike ever made. Others say it's too big and too expensive. So, what do you think? Does the GS deserve its legendary status, or is it overrated? Let me know in the comments, because the next motorcycle was built specifically for riders who push their adventure bikes hard. Number 3. KTM 1090. Adventure R KTM is famous for building aggressive adventure motorcycles, and the 1090 Adventure R is one of the toughest in their lineup. Under the tank sits a 1,050 cubic centimeter V-twin engine producing around 125 horsepower, which gives it serious performance. But the chassis is the real star. Long travel suspension, lightweight design, excellent off-road capability. This bike was designed for riders who want to ride fast on dirt, rocky trails, desert terrain, serious off-road riding, and despite its performance, it's still capable of long-distance touring. KTM calls their machines ready to race. And the 1090 Adventure R definitely lives up to that slogan. But if you want something more touring-focused with incredible reliability, the next bike has one of the strongest reputations in the ADV world. Number 2. Yamaha Super Tenere. The Yamaha Super Tenere is famous for one thing: reliability. Under the tank sits a 1,199 cubic centimeter parallel twin producing around 110 horsepower. But Yamaha tuned the engine for smooth power and long-term durability. Another big advantage? Shaft drive, which means far less maintenance compared to chain systems. The chassis is extremely stable, the bike is comfortable for long rides, and it has one of the best reliability reputations in the adventure segment. Many owners have reported 100,000 plus miles on these motorcycles, which tells you everything you need to know. This is the kind of bike built for crossing continents, but the final motorcycle on this list might be even tougher. Number 1. Honda XR650L. If there's one motorcycle that represents pure durability, it's the Honda XR650L. This bike has barely changed in decades, and that's exactly why it survives so much abuse. The 644 cubic centimeter air-cooled single-cylinder engine produces around 40 horsepower, but the engine is built like a tractor, which means it can survive years of punishment. Off-road riding, desert heat, crashes, poor fuel. Riders have taken XR65 OLs across deserts, mountains, and continents, and they just keep running. No complicated electronics, no unnecessary technology. Just a simple machine built for adventure. In many ways, the XR650L represents the original spirit of adventure riding. So those are 10 adventure bikes known for surviving years of abuse. From lightweight dual sports to massive adventure tours, these machines have proven themselves in the harshest riding conditions on Earth. Now I want to hear from you. Which adventure bike do you think is the toughest? And did we miss one that deserves a spot on this list? Drop it in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with another rider because we've got a lot more adventure motorcycle content coming. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.